This is not your regular stew. Would I say that? Yes. This is not your regular stew. This is water leaf stew. Have you ever imagined adding water leaf to your stew? Have you ever thought that you can use water leaf to make your stew, apart from making afan soup, other vegetable kind of soup? But in today's video, I'll be taking you on step-by-step procedure on how I make this delicious, cozy, yummy, and awesome water leaf stew, guys. Please sit tight and don't forget to wear your apron, wash your hands. Let's get into it. So to make this stew, I'll be using my regular ingredients, say fresh tomatoes, tomato paste, any protein of your choice, my onions, spices, salt and seasoning, ginger garlic paste, and of course the water leaf itself. Okay, we start by doing the necessary things like you do for your normal stew. Don't mind me saying that this is not regular stew. This is just your normal stew, but with the special effect of water leaf. So just the way you cook your stew, go ahead and make your normal stew by frying the onions, the water leaf, the spices, and also the tomatoes and pepper, just the way you make your stew. So relax, guys, and watch this video to the end. If you are seeing this video to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you know when I drop awesome content. They are quite amazing, and I'll be glad to welcome you on board. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's proceed. We've come to the final point. Just add in your washed vegetables, okay, and your water leaf stew is ready. Stir to combine properly and turn off the heat. Please, as a matter of freshness, you don't need to cook this water leaf for long. Immediately I added it to my stew, I turned off the heat so we could have it very fresh, as you can see in this video. So guys, please bring your plate, bring your spoon, and when coming, don't forget to wash your hand. Let's enjoy ourselves. This meal, whenever or whoever you give this meal to will definitely come back for more. Just go away from the regular things. Let's check it out. This can be served with your rice, spaghetti, yam, or whatever you can serve your stew with, okay? So feel free and enjoy with me. One thing about it is that the water leaf stew is enjoyed by everyone. Even my kids took theirs to school, and I'm sure they will enjoy it very, very well. It's good for old and young, as it's very nourishing to the body, not just to the younger ones but also to the older ones. If you know the effects of water leaf on your system, I'm sure whatever you cook, don't neglect water leaf. Whatever you cook, you can actually use water leaf on it, guys. See, my food is awesome, isn't it? So guys, enjoy, and thank you so much for watching to this point. Thank you for always coming back to my videos. Thank you for supporting this small channel of mine, and I appreciate you. If you are still watching to this moment, please can you comment fish for me? Thank you. Comment fish. Let's rock it, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.